Cake pa rin guys, oh, na isa. Nice ka, nice. Simple lang, oh. White chocolates. Wow, nice. Ka, nice naman. Nice. Thanks. Ay, ka, nice. Thank you. Nice, mama. Pa-picture ko, mama. Cake pa rin, guys. Cake pa rin. Sir, pwede ako pa-picture, sir. Sir, paano ko, sir? Ah, nice. Ay, ma'am. Ma'am. Nice. Ay, ka nice. Wow. Ma'am, pa-picture ako ba? Ari, kamu doon. Thank you. Ka nice. Sir, pa-picture ako sa akin ko, sir. Thank you. Ay, kulay blue, my favorite. Thank you, ma'am. Pwede pa picture?
Dito ba kami, sir?
Ah, sige. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Ay, ka nice. Picture si ma'am. Ka nice, so. Ay, cake party. Cake party, guys, ng gaisa, no? Sir, picture ako, sir, eh. Ma'am, pa-picture ka, eh. Thank you. So nice. Calling the attention, Lichelle Awakain. Si Ma'am, pa-PM cake. Sir, picture. Ka nice ba? Ma'am, picture ko sa iyo. Nice. Picture ko, ma'am, eh. Thanks. Ma'am, picture ako yung cake, ma'am. Sama ka. Ah, okay. Cake fest. Buong Panay siya, guys. Simple lang, oh. Cake party 55.
Open na ito magsulod, sir?
Hindi, gulang short sir. Try, ma'am, may concern sila.
Mag-open na ito magsulod, ma'am?
Ang ano na siya, kung wala ka... ano na wala sa kanila?
Sabi yung sales. Distributor ka niya, ma'am.
Ay, hindi. No cake na yun.
No cake na.
Parang ano na sir, exclusive sila sa ano. Ganda gani. Ganda. Silip lang ako.
Ayan po kasi kami. Grabe! Hindi yan pasmado eh. Ayan.
Located sa Gaisano ACC. Cake party.
What a cake! Alright. Let's